Welcome to Owl's The Rhyme Bible Storybook Read Aloud series. This story is adapted from the book of Genesis, chapter 39 to 41, The King's Dream. Joseph slaved and worked so hard for Captain Potiphar, the Pharaoh's guard. But God was with him. Potiphar could tell, for Joseph's work turned out so well. Now, after quite some time went by, Potiphar's wife told a great big lie. "That slave you bought is up to no good. He'd try to hurt me if he could." So off to prison Joseph went, although he knew he was innocent. Joseph wondered, does God care? But even in prison, God was there. When two of the prisoners had some dreams, Joseph said, "Here's what they mean." God helped Joseph on that day to know exactly what to say. Then the Pharaoh had a dream. It made him wonder, what could it mean? His servant said, "I know of a man, and he can tell you if anyone can." When Joseph came before the king, he said, "My God knows everything. Tell me all about your dream, and God will tell me what it means." "I dreamed," said the king, "of 14 cows, and though I cannot tell you how, 7 fat cows were swallowed whole by 7 thin cows, who were out of control. But the curious thing about the matter was that none of the thin cows got any fatter." Then Joseph said, "Here's what it means. God is warning you through your dreams. For 7 years, we'll have good crops, but after that, the rain will stop. So find a man to be in command, and put him in charge of your majesty's land." Pharaoh was glad to hear this plan. He quickly said, "You'll be the man." He put Joseph in charge of everything and made him ruler next to the king. The end. Thank you for watching. This is The King's Dream from the Rhyme Bible Storybook.